baking soda. It is an amazing cleaning agent. Obviously, because it's listed at the back, but a lot of people never actually use baking soda for cleaning. They only use it for baking. However, it is an amazing cleaning agent, especially in the kitchen.
Okay, go ahead.
So right now, I'm just gonna start mixing the baking soda. It's very simple. I have an empty cup and an empty bottle. I'm gonna pour the baking soda into the cup, like so. I'm gonna put the funnel on top of the bottle, just so I don't have a big mess. And then I'm gonna funnel the baking soda into the spray bottle. Once that's done, you're just gonna add a little water. I try to do half and half, but if you want to do a little more, that's perfectly fine. Shake it up really good. I have a spill in my oven. I'm gonna spray it on the surface. So now that it's been sitting, I don't know if you can actually zoom in and see, but the baking soda has already lightened up the stains before I even began to scrub. So now I have this Brillo pad. First I'm gonna start with the door. Just scrub it around really good. Make sure I'm hitting all the corners. You want to get the outside of the door as well. Okay. Now that the door is done, voila. You don't even have to force it. The baking soda works miracles.
Miko, baby, you went away. Come here.
Really, Miko? Did you see how miracle it was?
Yeah, I did. I did.
Without her in the way?
Yeah. Go ahead. I can see now.
Okay. As you see, I have not even been scrubbing a full minute. And you can already see most of the dried up grease has already came out with baking soda only. No strong, harsh chemicals. And then also take into consideration that some stuff just isn't going to come out. All the grease came out, however, some stains become set in. This most likely has never came out since I moved here, so I don't think that's going to come out. But the part that will come out has already been taken up. Movie